Good morning, class. Today we're going to be reviewing multiplication and using data from a table, as well as a couple of story problems. We're on Unit 4, Lesson 4 homework. In numbers 1 through 4, you are completing 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, and you can solve that in any way that you choose. In our first one, I'll go ahead and work through one with you. We have 78, and we're multiplying that by 26. And I'm going to go ahead and I have 6 times 8 is equal to 48. I'm going to put down my 8 and carry my 4. I know that 6 times 7 is equal to 42, plus 4 is equal to 46. I'm going to go ahead and put down my placeholder. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Put down my 6, carry my 1. 2 times 7 is equal to 14, plus 1 is equal to 15. Then I'm going to add it up. 8 plus nothing is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 5 more is 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So my answer is 2028. You can go ahead and complete 2, 3, and 4 on your own. Again, just review of what we've been practicing. The second part, what we have is a table and directions, and we can see over here that we have a little table, and in it tells us papers delivered each week. So Jamil delivered 93 papers each week. Claire delivered 97 papers each week. And Mason delivered 98 papers each week. Our directions say, the table shows how many newspapers are delivered each week by the 3 paper carriers. Use the table to answer the questions. Use 1 year equals 52 weeks. So each year there's 52 weeks in a year. How many papers does Jamil deliver in a year? Well, I know that he delivers 93 papers. I can see right here 93 papers each week. So it's 93. And how many does he deliver in a year? Well, there's 52 weeks in that year. So I'm going to have to take that and I'm going to multiply that 93 by 52. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Put down my placeholder. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. Put down my 5, carry my 1. 9 times 5 is equal to 45, plus 1 is equal to 46. And now I add. 6 plus nothing is 6. 5 is equal to 13. Put down my 3, carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, plus 6 more is equal to 8, and 4 plus nothing is equal to 4. So he delivers 4,836 papers per year. Let's go ahead and look what the next one reads. Number 6. How many papers does Claire deliver in a year? Well, we need to go back to our table and find Claire. Claire delivers 97 in a week, so she has 97 papers each week, and we know that there are 52 weeks in a year, so we're going to multiply 97 times 52. To have you complete that one on your own, just the way we did number 5. Please remember your labels. Number 7, how could you find how many papers Mason delivers in a year without doing any multiplication? What is the answer? Well, if I can see here that Mason has 98 papers per week. According to the table, Mason delivers 98 papers per week. One way to figure it out without really having to do the multiplication would be to round that to 100. So I could pretend like Mason does 100 per week. He did 100 per week for 52 without even having to do the multiplication. I just know that it's 5,200 because I just bring down the 2 zeros. And then all I'd have to do would be subtract 2 to those weeks. I know that 52 plus 52, because I did 2 for each week, is going to be 104. And I could just then subtract. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. This 10 becomes a 9. 2 becomes a 1. 9 minus 0 is 0 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 5 minus nothing is 5. So he would deliver 5,096 papers per year. And you could do it just by using some addition and subtraction. Another way that you could look at that is if Mason is delivering 98 papers per week and Claire is delivering 96 papers per week, he's delivering one more paper per week than Claire. So really, he's delivering 52 papers because there's 52 papers, one more per week, and there's 52 weeks, so that makes 52. Just add that to Claire's total, and you're again not multiplying, but just adding it to Claire's total. And you have 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 0 plus nothing is 0, and 5 plus nothing is 5. So you get the same answer. And again, all you did there was add the 52 extra papers, one per week for 52 weeks, to Claire's total. All right, go ahead now, and we're going to move to 8 and 9. You have two story problems there, and they are multiplication. And I want you to go ahead and make sure that you complete them all. Do not forget to include your labels. I know that one of them is in feet, and your answer is going to be square feet, and the other one is in currency, meaning money. So don't forget to include your $sign. When you've finished, please take a picture of your work, attach it to your assignment, and turn it in on Teams. Thank you.